Hello Facebook users. Want more control over comments on your posts? In this guide, I will walk you through the process of managing comments and even disabling them. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open Facebook profile. In your mobile app, find the post for which you want to manage comments. Step 2. Make sure your post's visibility is set to public. If it's not yet public, edit the post settings to make it visible to everyone. Step 3. Set the who can comment on your public posts option to your preferences. Public, anyone can comment. Friends, only your friends can comment. Friends of friends, friends and their friends can comment. Step 4. Turn off commenting for each public post. Access the specific post you want to manage. Click on the 3 dots in the top right corner of the post. Select who can comment on your posts. Select the desired comment audience, for example, the profile and page you mentioned, to end the activity. You select Done. Your post will then be adjusted according to the edits you updated. Wish you a good day. I am Tech Tip AnHome. Thanks for watching the video.